everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope we're doing very good. And it's a beautiful day, and it's early morning, and my mom is still on walk. She didn't come back, so we're here. We're here outside, and I just wanted to make a video of puddles. It's a beautiful day.
Is it rain?
Huh? It just rained, yeah, it stopped. And I'm going to tell you, and I wanted to show you how I play in the puddles. It's going to be fun. Pigs like puddles. Muddy ones like water puddles. It's like for humans. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, jumping up and down in muddy puddles. A splish splash there, a splish splash there. There a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splash splash. Mega splash! Whoa! I'm gonna run and splash. Whoa, that was a big splash! Jumping up and down in splatty puddles. Up, down. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. There's a splish splash there and splish splash there. There's splash, there's splash everywhere. A splish splash. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. There's a splash there. I like that song. And if you guys watch Peppa Pig, there's a video of them seeing there's a rain flood, and it made a giant and huge muddy puddle. If you want it, you can go watch that. But I don't want to make this video.
Here are the more water.
Yeah, that's dirt.
No, here.
Oh yeah, right there.
Want to sing
Want
the
to
song
see
again?
Hey guys, you want to see my mega splash?
Want to sing the song?
Yeah, after I do my mega splash. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish splash there and a splish splash there. A splish splash there. I forgot that song.
It's okay.
What are those little black things? If you guys know, comment down below. Let's go to the next row. Hey Dad, you want to play with me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, go.
Once we wrap up this video.
Okay. Let's go into the next row of the puddle.
But we don't have much water there.
Yeah, that's less water.
We have more water here.
More water here. And the tennis court is also with more water. And that's our entrance to our home. There's stairs. And our home is on the 3rd floor, the highest floor.
Want to wrap it up?
Now I want to show my viewers still more. And I'm holding this. I just like this toy. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you keep smiling and hit the bell button. And I hope you keep smiling, stay healthy, and keep dancing. Oh yeah, I'm jumping up and down in muddy puddles and dancing in muddy puddles. See you later. Pound it. Noggin. See ya. See you later.